founded in your grace, rich in caring and devoted in reaching for your perfection. May Aaron and Jennifer see your hands as healer, protector, shelter, and guide. We ask this in your name. Amen. Aaron and Jennifer, inasmuch as you have consented to be joined in marriage, you've exchanged these ancient and solemn vows and have given and received rings as a token and symbol of your love. By the authority vested in me by the Circuit Court of Rockingham County and Commonwealth of Virginia, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Aaron, you may kiss your bride. Nice. That's fair now. May I present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Wimmer.